Hello everyone. Today we'll study about Docker. It is a set of platform used as a service product that uses OS level virtualization to deliver software. Now firstly we'll install Docker for Windows. Once it is done, you can check your downloads and from there you can do the necessary setup. After you have launched your Docker desktop, you will be directed to a page like this where you have multiple tabs like containers, images. Right now I have one image and my container is empty. So now you will use Docker Hub where you can visit it by hub.docker.com. Here, whatever image you want to create container for, you can search that image. It will give you the image as along with its command, right? In this page we can see about that is docker pull busybox. This command will pull the image from the Docker Hub and push it to my Docker desktop. So that's how when I'll write the command docker pull busybox, it will write using default tag latest. Now what is a tag? Basically it is which version am I downloading. Here you can see my image is downloaded and it is not yet into containers. For making its container we have to run that, so we'll write the command docker run and the name of the image, that is busybox. So once you will run this, we'll have our container created. Here we can see our container which has any default name which is given by our Docker and the image, that is busybox, from which we have created this container. Now we'll see the same using a Dockerfile. What you have to do is open your PowerShell and we'll write certain set of commands from which you can do the same task, that is image to container, using a Dockerfile and customize it as per your requirement. So our first command will be to directing it to our desktop and creating a file name docker. So once we do that, it will list out all the directories that we have until now. Secondly, we will create a file called main.cpp. That will be our main file which will contain the code, our C++ code for creating a Docker image. Using that code, we will open it and we'll write certain set of codes. So just copy and paste this code into your editor and save it and then close. Now we'll create another file named as Dockerfile. Dockerfile will be your main file inside your Docker. Just open it using Notepad Docker, file name. Once you are redirected to your code editor, you will have to write certain codes. Just copy and paste this into your editor and save and close it. Once it is done, you have to build your file along with the image. So we'll write the code as follows, that is docker Once this is executed, you can see your image in your Docker desktop. Here you can see that your container is been created from the image. The green light indicates that it is running currently and its container is created. The image that we have used, name is mentioned. So there are certain uses of Docker like configuration, simplification and many others. Thank you.